Hello guys, welcome to Elena and Leia's channel. We are here to unbox the Jeffery Stars Cosmetics lip gloss or lipsticks, whatever you want to call them. And we're going to do it right now, and we're going to do some swatches. So this is the beautiful box. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Purple is one of my favorite colors, so this is amazing. And then I love this part too. And this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely gorgeous. All these colors look amazing. And we're gonna swatch them right now. Now this one is called Royal Armor. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Wow, can you see that? It's pretty. Now, my friends already have the Scorpio one, and I love it. And let's see, this is I'm Vulgar. Sorry, I'm not very good at swatching. It's my first time. That's really pretty. And this one's I'm Royalty. There's the Royalty one. Wow, that's really pretty. It's prettier than the purple I have. And this one is Scorpio. That's Scorpio. I am not good at swatching. I'm so sorry. And this one is Virginity. I don't know if you could see that. Okay, and then we have Blow Pony. Now I'm going to try this. There's that one. Okay. And this one is Clout. Whatever that means. Oh, that's really pretty. The last one is Clout. I got the mini pack, so this isn't much. Berries on Ice is the last one. Now, there that is. I'm not good at swatches, like I said. But these are amazing colors. We're going to try one on my lips. And this one is Scorpio. I love this. This is a beautiful color on me. It goes with my skin and yeah. This is not easy to get off. All right, so that is the review. I'm Jeffery Star. I hope you guys liked it. And I know Leia did because she loves watching Mommy put makeup on. Say goodbye. See you guys tomorrow in the next movie, or next video, I should say. And we're going to talk about Leia tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video tomorrow, and we'll see ya. Stay ninja.